Hello everyone, I'm Janu from Joyful Yarns. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make the extended double crochet stitch, also known as EDC. Right, it's a beautiful stitch that gives a little extra height and drape compared to a regular double crochet. And it's better you use extended double crochet when you want something between double crochet and double crochet. Right, this stitch is perfect for scarves, shawls and light garments because this stitch makes fabric more flexible and less stiff. Right guys, so let's get started. Today I use 3.25mm size crochet hook and first make a slip knot, and we should make a foundation chain. You can make this stitch with any number of chain, and now I'm gonna make about 20 chains for the foundation chain. Now you should skip 3 chains, right? 1 2 3, and we are going to make the extended double crochet into the 4th chain. Right, skip 3 chains, and to make your first extended double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Right, now you have 3 loops on your hook. Right, this is where it gets a little different from a regular double crochet. Here's the extended part. Yarn over and pull through just the first loop on the hook. Right, you will still have 3 loops remaining. Right, again yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Right, yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Right, that's it. You have made one extended double crochet stitch. Right, let's see the next one. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch or next chain. Yarn over again, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Again yarn over, just pull through the first loop only and yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops and again yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops remaining on your hook. Right, this is the extended double crochet. Again yarn over, insert hook to the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, release 1 loop only, again yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Right, again yarn over, insert hook to the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through just the first loop on the hook. Right, and as a regular double crochet, just pull through the next 2 loops and again pull through the next 2 loops. Right, okay guys, to continue just repeat the same steps in each stitch across your row. And don't forget to pause or rewind the video if you need a closer look. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and check out my other stitch tutorials. And if you like to learn some crochet project that actually use this stitch, here's my carrot applique video and you can watch that and see how I use extended double crochet. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.